Demolitions are insane. Buildings, bridges, gone in seconds. Perfect implosions. Explosive chaos. And moments that'll make your jaw drop. Today we're counting down 25 of the most incredible demolition videos ever caught on camera. Absolutely epic. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 25. Blackpool's iconic tower blocks leveled in a demolition you have to see to believe. Number 24. A business center in Germany reduced to rubble with 250 kilos of explosives. Watch how perfectly it comes down. Number 23. A massive gas storage structure obliterated in a powerful explosion. The timing is flawless. Don't blink. Number 22. The AEF Tower in Frankfurt, Germany, taken down in spectacular fashion. Just watch how clean this collapse is. Number 21. An old farm silo meets its end. Watch it crumble in seconds. Number 20. A massive highway bridge, 50 meters high, brought down in a jaw-dropping demolition. You won't believe how perfectly it falls. Number 19. A 70-meter-long wind turbine comes crashing down. The precision of this takedown is insane. Number 18. A towering 360-meter radio tower brought down in an epic collapse. The way it hits the ground is unreal. Number 17. A massive highway overpass weighing 6,000 tons comes crashing down. The sheer power of this demolition is incredible. Number 16. 4 radio towers brought down simultaneously. The synchronized collapse is absolutely mesmerizing. Number 15. A 53-meter tall shopping center tower comes crashing down. The way it falls is totally epic.
Explosive.
Number 14. An old apartment complex demolished with 290 kilos of explosives. Watch it implode perfectly. Number 13. The top of a decommissioned coal mine is blasted away, rolling over in an incredible cascade. You won't believe the chaos.
Germany.
Number 12. A decommissioned iron ore plant in Germany comes crashing down. The explosion is absolutely massive.
Number 11.
A reinforced concrete chimney is demolished in seconds. The collapse is perfectly controlled and incredible to watch. Number 10. A massive concrete mixing plant comes tumbling down. The way it crumbles is jaw-dropping. Number 9. A 75-meter tall coal plant demolished with 180 kilos of explosives. Watch it collapse in a perfectly controlled explosion. Number 8. A massive chimney in Germany comes crashing down. The precision of this demolition is insane. Number 7. A power plant complex completely demolished. First the boiler building, then the massive cooling tower. Total chaos in perfect sequence. Number 6. A crane driver chips away at a building's foundation and narrowly... Number 5. An epic farmer self-demolishes his own structure. The collapse are absolutely wild. Number 4. The Fort Stuben Bridge stood tall for 84 years, until it came crashing down in an epic demolition. The collapse is absolutely mesmerizing. Number 3. A massive cooling tower comes tumbling down. The sheer scale of this collapse is absolutely jaw-dropping. Number 2. The Marysville Old Coal Power Plant, standing for 93 years, is finally brought down. The demolition is epic and perfectly timed. Number 1. The Red Road Flats in Glasgow. 8 massive apartment buildings, built in 1966, once home to 4,700 people, are brought down in one epic demolition. The scale of this collapse is absolutely mind-blowing.
Take 2.
As you can see, 2 of the Stuben towers refused to fall during the demolition. According to the BBC, the demolition contractor noticed discrepancies between the old construction records and the actual steel sizes used. So, they decided to play it safe instead of blowing them sky high. If you loved these epic demolitions, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't miss more jaw-dropping videos coming your way.